Hello.
Rosie!
Hello.
Hello, Izzy. Welcome.
Hello.
Yo, can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, Nick.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay, cool.
Hi, Eugene.
Hey, Huge. How's it going?
All right, we're back.
Good to see you, my friend.
What's up, Eugene?
You're
Is he frozen?
Yes.
No, he's doing the Zoom thing. He's moving slightly.
Yeah, no, I'm not frozen.
Woohoo!
Are we supposed to be in regalia the whole time?
I don't know. Are we graduating? Let's
All right.
The
get
answer to
people
that
here.
already is real life no, so
Not really.
Actually,
That's
you
the
know what?
answer.
I either need a fourth color or I
Hello,
just need
Nico.
to-
Welcome.
Happy graduation, everyone.
Happy graduation to
Happy
you
graduation.
Oh, 8 participants. Perfect.
too. All right. Is everyone ready?
Yeah.
All right. Welcome to the 2020 CME virtual graduation. I'd like you all to please follow me.
Where? Oh, there you are.
Oh, Lord, I'm not ready.
Everyone say hi to Pango.
Hi, Pango.
Hi, Pango.
Pango's so cute. I love her.
All right. Everyone needs to
Aw.
check in. Hang on. Everyone needs to check in.
All right, back this line up.
By single file.
Yep, gotta say,
Woohoo!
this is not how I imagined my commencement ceremony.
Yo, me neither, bro. Me neither.
You
I'm
imagine
sure it
seeing
will
a
be
colorful
better.
What are you
anteater
talking about? I
the
was
way
expecting
here?
it to be like this the whole time.
All right, so thank you for joining me on this lovely day here at Carnegie Mellon University. Yeah, would anyone like to say a few words?
Rosie, you're muted.
I said, oh yeah, I guess I should be saying a few words. To our fellow graduates, we've really made quite the journey, all the way from Conlon's Airport to Conlon's campsite. I'm so glad to be here with all of you today in Animal Crossing on this slightly rainy and Pittsburgh-esque day to celebrate the fact that we have graduated with a quarter of a semester or half of a semester through Zoom University, as well as 3.5 in real life. Congratulations! We're all still a little bit sad, but we'll all be together sometime soon anyways. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Yay!
Can I react? Oh, I can.
And react. Wow.
Yes, so.
Oh, wait, should I go up there and bow? Can I bow? Is there? I don't know if I have a reaction. Oh my god.
Maya, no. So Rosie, before you step down, I'd like you to please join me on this side of the podium for the most important part of this graduation. You receiving a present.
Aw.
Congratulations, and thank you for coming to Carnegie Mellon University.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your present.
It's but a small token of our appreciation, and also your formal diploma you'll receive in the mail later.
I just want to say that, yeah, just us hanging out throughout this weird times, like, it's helped definitely get me through quarantine. And just want to say that I hope we just, yeah, as Eugene said, I'll keep in touch throughout the rest of our lives, you know.
Seeing you guys here, enjoying yourselves, being sentimental is honestly the best thing I could hope for. We know that times are hard and the world is crazy and bad, but you guys are what are getting me through right now. And even as we all are trying to stay connected remotely, like knowing we have these spaces, whether it's chat groups or Zoom calls or Conlon's campsite in his Animal Crossing island, we can do this and we can stay in touch and we can keep making our little corners of the world a better place. So thank you all for joining us today. With that, I'd like you to all please turn the tassels on your cap.